Hello and welcome to this session. Today, let us learn to check the reading of an input port and send the received bytes to the output port of the microcontroller using switches and LCD for the input and output.
Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to enter the program to interface LCD to display string and check the result through ports and record the observation. Introduction to Liquid Crystal Display or LCD. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display, a flat panel display technology commonly used in electronic devices such as televisions, computer monitors, etc. LCDs are preferred due to their low power consumption, thinness, and ability to display alphanumeric characters and graphics. A 16 by 2 LCD means it can display 16 characters per line, and there are two such lines. In this LCD, each character is displayed in a 5 by 7 pixel matrix. This LCD has two registers, namely command and data. The command register stores the command instructions given to the LCD. The data register stores the data to be displayed on the LCD. Now let's look into the pins of the 16 by 2 LCD display. LCD has 16 pins in total. These pins include the data lines, control lines, power supply lines, and contrast control lines. Data lines D0 to D7. These lines are used for transferring data between the microcontroller and the LCD. In a 8-bit mode, all 8 lines D0 to D7 are used. In a 4-bit mode, only the higher order data lines D4 to D7 are used. When sending commands or characters to the LCD, the microcontroller sets the appropriate data lines to the desired binary values. These data lines are then latched by the LCD when the enable E signal is toggled, transferring the data into the LCD's internal registers. The control lines in an LCD interface with an 8051 microcontroller play a crucial role in managing data transfer and control operations. There are typically three control lines: RS register select, RW read or write, and E enable. RS determines whether the data being transferred is a command or character data, with RS is equal to 0 indicating a command and RS is equal to 1 indicating character data. RW controls the direction of data flow, with RW is equal to 0 for write operations, microcontroller to LCD, and RW is equal to 1 for read operations, LCD to microcontroller, although read operations are less commonly used in LCD interfacing. E-enable initiates data transfer by latching the data present on the data lines into the LCD's internal registers. Typically, there are two power supply lines, VCC and GND. VCC supplies the required operating voltage to the LCD, usually plus 5 volt. GND serves as the reference point for electrical potential. Contrast control. Depending on the type of LCD, a contrast control pin may be present to adjust the contrast of the display. Clear display 0x01 clears the display and returns the cursor to the home position. Address 0. Return home 0x02 returns the cursor to the home position without clearing the display. Set cursor position 0x80 plus address sets the cursor to the specified address on the display. Display on or off control 0x08 turns the display on or off. Entry mode set 0x06 sets the cursor move direction and display shift. Function set 0x38 sets the interface data length 8-bit or 4-bit, number of display lines usually 2, and character font 5x8 dots or 5x10 dots. Cursor or display shift 0x10 shifts the cursor or display left or right. Next, we will look at the tools, equipment, and materials needed to check the reading of an input port and send the received bytes to the output port using switches and LCD with the 8051 microcontroller. For this, you will need the following tools, equipment such as microcontroller kit 1 number, keyboard 1 number, and FRC cables as required. First, Turn on power of the microcontroller kit. Navigate to the power button and turn on the switch. Now for writing the code in the microcontroller, externally connect a keyboard to the microcontroller at the designated port. As we are writing the code in the keyboard, it is externally connected. Check whether the switch is in the external mode. Now we will start entering the program in the microcontroller kit. Click A in the keyboard as we are writing the code in the assembly language. Click Enter to proceed. Now give the origin for the microcontroller. Here we are giving it as 4200. The origin starting address will be changing from kit to kit. Now enter MOV A, P1. This means moving the port 1 value in the accumulator A. Double enter to write the next line of the code. Now enter MOV DPTR, #4500. We are assigning the data pointer register with immediate value of 4500. In this address, the output will be stored. Double enter to write the next line of the code. Now enter MOVX at DPTR, A. MOVX means moving the external instruction. At DPTR, this indicates the address in external memory pointed to by the DPTR or data pointer register. Double enter to write the next line of the code. Now enter SJMP. Short jump to the same line of the code. Enter the same address after SJMP. Double enter to write the next line of the code. Now type comma plus enter to exit the code. Now we have to verify the code before executing. For that, click U and enter. Now in the screen it will display origin. Give the starting address of the code, that is 4200, and click enter. Check each line and click enter to check next line. Once you have verified, now click comma plus enter to exit. Navigate to port 1 and switches. Connect port 1 to switch according to program using the FRC cables. Now toggle switches to the 1110 EE condition. For executing the program, enter Go starting address, that is 4200, and click enter. The display will show executing. Click on the reset button. For displaying the output, enter SP and the data pointer address as we stored the value in it. Here it is 4500, and click enter. The display will show according to the switch's condition. Here it is 1110, that is EE. Click reset button to execute another example. Now let us toggle the switches to A5. For that, start from LSB. Toggle the switches in 10100101, that is A5. For executing the program, navigate to the keyboard and enter Go and the starting address. Here it is 4200. Then click enter. Now the screen will display executing. For performing the next action, navigate to reset and click on reset. Now type in keyboard SP and the address of the data pointer, that is 4500 here. Click enter. On the screen, it will display the switch's position. Here it is A5 10100101.
This brings us to the end of this session. In this session, we have learnt programming the LCD to display the data and connecting the LCD to 8051 and displaying the data. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next session.